Hello traders and welcome to another altcoin of the week analysis. Today is Friday, October 15th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Zcash to Tether at the weekly time frame chart on Zonda Crypto. I have chosen this particular altcoin as the altcoin of the week, not for the any kind of increase in let's say gains by the Zcash. It's completely different reason this time. So what do I mean is that very often any security, it can be altcoin, bitcoin, oil, gold, euro, dollar, whatever, might form very specific pattern which has a very high probability rate, and this is the pattern I have noticed on the Zcash. So let me just draw it for you. What do I mean is that the Zcash might be performing some sort of the wedge, or as they say, ending diagonal. So this might be some sort of the potential promising pattern. This is the lower line of this pattern. This is the higher, let's say, line of this pattern. So as you can see, it forms like a kind of a bottle cap. Yeah, it's getting narrower by the end of this pattern, right? So it's a wider, and then narrower. And what I mean is that after that kind of a narrow squeeze, we should expect a breakout to the upside. Now the breakout from the falling wedge usually gets toward the nearest swing high. So in our situation, the nearest swing high is located here, exactly at 96.91. So this is our, let's say, first target for the bulls. So that's the level. However, very close, there is a technical resistance. So we have a very nice potential zone for a target after the breakout from the wedge is performed. 83.01, 96.91 is the potential target zone, and this target zone is already, from the lows of today, roughly 300, easily 300%, right? But in a case of a further up movement continuation, right, we can of course target the next level, and the next level is another swing high from this year. This is the 21st of the March 2022. So that's the last year. So the last year's high is still available for the breakout target, right? Breakout from the wedge, and this is of course way more. That's over, I guess, 1000%, right? But the key situation here on this, with this kind of a breakout out of the wedge pattern, is that because we are analyzing this on a weekly time frame chart, it might take a few weeks before we will see some sort of the breakout, right? The market already tried, as you can see here, in the end of the June, beginning of the July, to initiate some sort of the breakout, because this wedge looked like this, okay? But unfortunately, it was faded by bears, and the market returned to the low volatility zone, and then of course towards the levels roughly around 21 tethers, and where it stays up to this moment, right? So from this level, if the volatility will increase, then there is a potential for a very big movement to the upside in this altcoin. That's why I pick it up. Okay, so we have this squeeze in a volatility. There's almost nothing going on. As you can see, Zcash can be very violent. Last time it was violent at the beginning of the 2022, going to the first half of the 2022, and then 2023 it's a way lower volatility, so the volatility is decreasing, and when it is squeezed, the pressure is so big that sooner or later it will explode to the upside. From the technical point of view, there is nothing wrong with this scenario. This scenario can easily be played out, but again, because it's being analyzed on the weekly time frame chart, it might take some weeks for this market to initiate nice, aggressive, dynamic breakout from the wedge pattern. So that was my altcoin of the week analysis, Zcash to Tether at the weekly time frame chart on the zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. For now, take care, have a nice weekend, and bye bye.